You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center
Hello
of
there,
your crown.
it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today, I'm going to introduce some exciting new products and cooling bedding. These items have innovative ideas that can only be found at IKEA. Some of these products are even discounted in certain countries like the UK, so make sure to check them out early. Also, the room sets have become incredibly cute, so I hope you can enjoy them with me. Please watch until the end. First, let's start with the cooling bedding. Can you sleep at night without air conditioning in your country? In Japan, where I live, it gets very uncomfortable at night. Sometimes it gets dangerously hot without air conditioning. Maybe that's why IKEA's cooling bedding is always a hot topic every year. This year, one of my followers introduced me to something quite interesting, so I decided to purchase it. I'll talk more about it later, but the mini cooling mattress pad was really good. This pillow was a huge hit on social media last year. I didn't buy this one this time, but I bought a different one. IKEA has a wide variety of pillows available. There are really a lot. But with pillows, you don't know if they're good until you try them. IKEA has a 90-day trial guarantee for pillows and mattresses. About IKEA's mattress pads, please be aware that bedding sizes differ by country, so ensure it fits properly. Unfortunately, in Japan, standard sizes do not match with IKEA's sizes. Another feature is that the surface material does not contain polyurethane. Many other brands use polyurethane on the surface. Polyurethane tends to form lint balls easily. If you have issues with lint, IKEA might be a good choice. The more expensive white one contains 30% viscose, which is a moisture-absorbing material. A viscose has excellent moisture absorption, which helps prevent stuffiness. Preventing stuffiness is important for a good night's sleep. The surface is made of nylon, which feels cooler than polyester. Thermal conductivity isn't the only factor, but nylon's thermal conductivity is 0.25 watt per Kelvin. Cheaper cooling mattress pads often have a high percentage of polyester, around 70% or more. Nylon's thermal conductivity is about 5 times higher than polyester, so it feels much cooler. Choosing by material might be a good idea. IKEA has introduced a revolutionary mini cooling mattress pad. Good quality materials can make them expensive, but this mini size makes it affordable. It's small enough to be chilled in the refrigerator, providing a very cool feel. The mini size also makes it easy to wash. This is how it looks without ironing. I also bought the pillow cover and I'll review it together. After using it for about 10 days, I found that the cooling mattress pad is so cool that it wakes me up when I turn over. It wakes me up several times. It's that cool, but waking up from the cold is a bit of an issue. Here's an image from the official website. I think it's best used under the sheets. If you tend to get very hot, it's okay to use it directly. I received a message saying it's great for pets too. The pillow cover feels even cooler than the mattress pad. It's made of 60% viscose rayon in the striped pattern. What impressed me most is that it doesn't get too wrinkled without ironing. Rayon is usually hard to wash, but this one can be washed in a regular washing machine. Getting 60% rayon at this price is quite impressive. I ended up buying this pillow impulsively. It's quite soft in my opinion. The inside is polyurethane with many holes, which might help with breathability. You really need to use a pillow to know if it's good. How many times do I need to say this? IKEA sells pillows for stomach sleepers. Is this common in other countries? It's quite rare in Japan. There are many types of pillows, so be sure to check them out in the store. Next, I found something really interesting to share. This spotlight is USB powered, making it very affordable and practical. It's very thin, probably sold as a display light. It's also available in black. The on-off switch is just a click on the light itself, making it very convenient. It's rated at 115 lumens. It's affordable and comes with a 3.5 Pinoy cable and a power adapter. It also includes a bag with cable clips and adhesive strips for installation. I plan to use it on this desk and it worked out quite well. This is my child's desk. With this spotlight, we won't need a desk lamp, making the desk more organized. I attached it to the shelf above the desk. I have a Skadis pegboard from IKEA, so I was able to pass the wire through the holes and set it up. It's very bright, so be careful not to stare directly at it. It's very bright, and my child is happy with the organized desk. The light is slightly yellow, so be careful if you're drawing or doing artwork. It's hard to see on video, but it's slightly yellow. It could work well as a display light or indirect lighting. Here's a room set at IKEA Kohoku store in Japan. It's very stylish. This is a kid's room set. Isn't it adorable? It uses many of the latest new products, and even that flashy cat cushion cover looks stylish here. This rug is also a new and highly anticipated item. It's very cute. I plan to do a storage special next week, so stay tuned for that. IKEA has many innovative storage solutions at affordable prices. The John XL drawers are in the back, and attaching this light to the hanging rod is genius. It matches the purple color and is very cute. IKEA has released a lot of cut fabrics recently. If you're into sewing, you should check them out. Just putting the cut fabrics in frames looks very charming. The blanket on this bed is a new item, and it's absolutely adorable. The chunky knit is lovely and comes in 2 color options, both of which are quite appealing. It's made of 100% polyester. Someone commented on my previous video that they decorated their home in brown tones. I wanted to show you the Tonstad series, a new IKEA product line. The Tonstad series has a luxurious feel with a veneer finish. The texture is excellent. It comes in light and dark brown, and both are very nice, so please check them out. However, be aware that the high quality makes them very heavy. This coffee table weighs about 25 kilograms. It's quite heavy. If you furnish your home with the Tonstad series, moving and rearranging will be difficult. Next, I'll introduce some items I purchased. For those traveling during summer vacation, how about this bag? It's a bag with a storage pouch with a zipper closure. It has both shoulder and hand straps. The zipper is a nice feature, making it great for carrying souvenirs on your trip. The bright color makes it easy to spot. The shoulder strap is highly adjustable. It's tag chopping time. You can attach it to your suitcase with the thingy on the back. I'll show you later. I'm not sure of the correct way to fold it, but I'll do it my way. Even if you fold it haphazardly, the storage pouch is large enough to hold it. It's not too thin, so it's quite sturdy. This is the size when folded. Let's try it out. But my old suitcase has a handle that's too wide. Maybe newer ones have narrower handles. This is how it looks when carried. You can see a bit of red through the fabric, but it's quite sturdy for the price. It's great as an extra bag for trips when you need more space. It's very light, which is nice. Thank you for watching until the end. I would be delighted to receive your comments. See you in the next video.
I don't understand.